Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here today. So I'm Florian. I'm leading the product management team at Netatmo. And I know that some of you are saying that Netatmo is a strange name. It's true. And the Japanese, basically, to pronounce it, split it into two parts, Neta and Tomo. But in Japanese, Neta means the thing you put on the sushi, and Tomo means friends. So basically, in Japanese, Netatmo means the friends of the things you put on the sushi. But today, I will not speak about sushi at all. I'm talking about smart home. So our mission at Netatmo is to make your home more comfortable, more efficient, more secure. And I'm going to tell you our story. So this is the findings that lead us to create Netatmo. Basically, everyone now has a smartphone. And Wi-Fi is reaching 90% of households in developed countries. So we thought that planets were aligned for B2C IoT, as you have an universal remote controller and you have a universal communication protocol with Wi-Fi. Before that, to have a smart home, you have to run wires from a remote to a device, which was very expensive and only for rich people. It was not working very well. But now with the apps and the Wi-Fi, we started with this product. So a very simple product to begin with. It is a weather station. So you put the big module inside your home and the small one outside your home, and you can, with your smartphone, control your climate, so the air quality, the temperatures, humidity. So just connected sensors to begin with in 2012. We wanted to take no risks to begin with, so no risk of fire, no action in the house, etc. And somehow, weather is a very powerful niche with very active users. And we have built the #1 weather station network in the world with all users sharing their external data. And today, for instance, in Norway, the Norway Weather Institute use our data to build their forecasts and to improve them. So with this success, we raised 5 million euros, and we try another bet with a smart thermostat. So basically, a smart thermostat is a device that will control automatically the temperature at home, so that you don't have to think about it and to change the temperature when you're back home, etc. You can control it with your smartphone. And at the same time, the very same time, Nest in the US launched its own thermostat, and it had been acquired by Google for $3 billion. So lucky for us, Nest wasn't adapted to European market at this time, so this one was a big success too. And so we keep on going. We raised again 30 million euros, and we tried serious stuff with artificial intelligence and face recognition. Because at this time, smart cameras only featured motion detection. So each time a cat goes in front of the camera, or your daughter or your wife or a burglar, you will receive the very same notification on your smartphone, motion detected. And then you have to check with your eyes if it's an important event or not. We found that very inconvenient and very annoying, so we developed our own team of artificial intelligence, and we embed it directly into the device, not in the cloud, so that you will receive and you will be alerted only when there is a strange thing happening at home, so a stranger, for instance. And so we launched that in 2015, so 3 years before Apple launched Face ID on these smartphones. So it was a big success again. But do-it-yourself and consumer electronics, B2C, are a very tough market. And we wanted to reach another scale. And to do that, we begin partner with big industrials. So we start working in B2B2C to be able to sell through infrastructures, real estate, and professional installers. So this is how we developed a lot until now. So we have 2 legs. The first one is the B2C for innovation and quick time to market. And the second one is more money, but low cycle of development with big companies. For instance, with Legrand, which is an infrastructure French company. We developed smart powers and smart switches, so smart power outlets. Basically, you can control your light and your electricity consumption with your phone or with your voice. And now, real estate just put this by default in high-end luxury market. So now you will be able to purchase connected home from scratch. Another interesting partnership is with Velux, so the company of roof window. And basically, we have used our technology for climate monitoring of our weather station, and we have embedded it directly into the remote of the window. So now the remote is able to open and close your window automatically to fresh the air. So it closes if it's begin raining, etc. And this one is also working very well. And to sum up, so as we are accelerating a lot. Now we are 300 employees based in Paris. And we are launching 1, 2, 3 products per year. And last December, one of our industrial partners acquires us, so Legrand, and we are now part of the Legrand company, which unveils 2 days ago during their investors' days. Thanks to us, they wanted to reach 1 billion euros revenue per year within 3 years. But as a product manager, I wanted to share with you the product philosophy we have at Netatmo and what makes that our products are, I hope, a bit different than the competition. So first, we design product to be durable. Maybe some of you have heard about Dieter Rams, the designer for Brown. We deeply share its values, and when we developed a product, it's not to make a V2, V3, V4, VX. We wanted to do it once and to sell it, and the user will be able to use it for 10, 20 years. That's the way we think smart home will not be only gadgets. Then we want product to be useful and reliable, meaning that if we are not deeply convinced that we can do better than non-connected objects, that connection is useful, then we will not do it. Third point, we are very focused on privacy and security topics. We are European companies. We are not a Chinese or American company, so we have the same conceptions than European concerning privacy. So of course, we are respecting GDPR. But for instance, in terms of security, we have chosen to analyze all videos directly into the cameras, not to put your videos in the cloud. So we don't have your videos, so that there is no risk to the videos to be hacked, for instance. So another example of durability is that when we launch a product, we are able to update it through the years and add new functionalities. Because at Netatmo, we have from mechanical teams to software teams. So we are master of the entire development chain. And this is an example of a 5-year-old product and all updates that we have provided for free to all our users, so they don't have to purchase a new model of cameras. And last point, because I'm very proud of this, during last WWDC of Apple featured us for their new functionality launching in September. So I hope you will be able to try it. Thank you very much.